Bird brain, think again. Ever heard someone called a bird brain as an insult? Well, get ready to rethink everything you thought you knew. We're diving deep into the surprisingly brilliant minds of birds and comparing them to our furry mammal friends. Prepare for some serious brainpower showdown. It's a common misconception that bigger brains equal smarter creatures. But when it comes to birds, they've packed a whole lot of processing power into a surprisingly small space. Think of it as the difference between a bulky desktop computer and a sleek, powerful laptop. Bird brains have a higher neuron density than mammal brains of similar size. This means more connections and faster processing speeds. They're essentially running a super-efficient operating system. Crows and ravens are the rock stars of the bird world when it comes to intelligence. They can solve complex problems, use tools, and even plan for the future. Forget just pecking at seeds. These birds are playing 4D chess. New Caledonian crows are famous for crafting tools from twigs and leaves to fish out insects. They even modify their tools for different tasks. Talk about a DIY master. Birds aren't just smart on their own. They're also incredibly social creatures. Many species communicate using complex vocalizations and body language. They can recognize individuals, remember past interactions, and even cooperate to achieve common goals. Some birds, like parrots, can mimic human speech and even understand the meaning behind words. Imagine having a feathered friend who can hold a conversation. Just try not to teach them any bad words. Many birds undertake incredible migrations, traveling thousands of miles each year. They navigate using a combination of the Earth's magnetic field, the position of the sun and stars, and even landmarks. It's like having a built-in GPS. Clark's nutcrackers can remember the location of thousands of food caches they've buried months earlier. That's a memory that would make even an elephant jealous. Birds are constantly learning and adapting to new environments. They can learn from each other, innovate new behaviors, and even pass on knowledge to future generations. This ability to learn and adapt is a key indicator of intelligence. In urban environments, birds have learned to open doors, cross streets safely, and even steal food from unsuspecting humans. They're basically tiny feathered ninjas. So who's smarter, birds or mammals? The answer is, it's complicated. Different species excel in different areas. While mammals might have the edge in some cognitive tasks, birds often outperform them in others. Ultimately, comparing intelligence across species is like comparing apples and oranges. Both birds and mammals have evolved unique cognitive abilities that allow them to thrive in their respective environments. Hopefully, we've convinced you that birds are far more than just bird brains. They're intelligent, adaptable, and fascinating creatures that deserve our respect and admiration. Now it's your turn to take action. First, share this video with your friends and family to spread the word about avian intelligence. Second, consider supporting bird conservation efforts in your area. Finally, go outside and observe the birds around you. You might be surprised at what you discover. Subscribe for more amazing animal facts. Like and subscribe our channel, please.